Africa Content TV.
Good to hear that you said you already have your governor, but you're still going into an election
yes,
against the party in power.
Yes.
So how do you want to manage your way on this?
Let me tell you first, the name of our candidate is Sen.Sharafadeen Alli. And we are not afraid of so we know the way we are going to, but we don't want to disclose to you here.
Okay, thank you. It's good to keep the card close to your chest. Sir, distinguished senator, your chairman is speaking well of you and so confident that you're going to win the election. What about you too?
Yeah, very confident that by the grace of God, come May 29, 2027, APC will reclaim government in Oyo State with the support of our father, the president, and our leaders who are here and those at home. We are sure that by the grace of God and our teaming supporters in all strata, all levels of Oyo State, all sectors of the economy and communities, we are sure of victory by the grace of God.
Okay, apart from the support of your father, your leader, the president, what else are you banking on?
I am banking on my integrity. I am competent. I have the capacity, and I'm well experienced to ensure that we win the next election. And with the area of leaders that we have, you can see some of them here. Senators, former deputy governors, and we still have a lot at home. We are sure that by the grace of God, we're going to win.
In the primaries, you contested with a lot of aspirants, definitely.
Yes, certainly.
And some of them are not happy. What efforts are you making to
efforts are in top gear to get everybody on board. As a matter of fact, before even the primaries, I've started going around to see all of them because I knew I was the leading candidate. So I've been going around to appeal to all of them that we should all work together. And they have all assured me that after the primaries, if I emerge, they will. And having emerged, our leaders have commenced the process of reconciliation.